Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In the last video I showed you how I built my at-home putting green. In this video I'm going to start tidying up around the sides so that I can eventually plant some grass and create a nice little bit of a fringe so you can chip around the green, and also so when I'm hitting balls that it can actually roll onto the green, because at the moment it doesn't really do that. It's a bit of a construction site. In this video I'm going to prep around my green for grass. Follow on, I'm building an at-home golf course. Going to be multiple holes, so follow on for the journey. So the plan is to use some of this excess dirt that I got from digging out for the green to build a bit of the shape, and then I've got a pile of topsoil that I'm going to put around and compact and get all nice and smooth so I can plant some grass. So my whole plan is to just build a slight sort of mound around the whole thing to divert water, so most of the groundwater doesn't go on the green. It's definitely starting to take a bit more shape. Needs some topsoil though. So I've now moved all the excess dirt that I got from digging out for the green around and smoothed out around the green here. So my next step I think is going to be starting to remove some of this crusher dust from around the green so I can actually get a reasonable layer of topsoil so the seed will actually grow well. Alright, so we got all along the sides done, got them all dug out, so now I can spread some topsoil up to the edges. So now I'm just teaching the missus how to back the trailer. It's pretty hard actually, it's a small little trailer. Now I'm just spreading out the topsoil on the back side. Now I'm going to pretend I'm on an oval racetrack and go round and round in circles to compact the topsoil. Then after this I'm going to add a thin layer of topsoil back on this, smooth it all out so it's nice and smooth, I suppose, so I can plant some seed. So what I'm doing now is just emptying a little bit on each side of the green so I can then spread out a thin layer on top of the already compacted topsoil. If you're still watching, I hope you're enjoying the video and maybe consider subscribing to follow along the journey. Now to finalize the prep for the seed, I've just got the leveling rake out and smoothing out any little bumps and indiscrepancies just to make it really nice and smooth. And as you can see now, it's looking pretty bloody good. I'm now just spreading out the grass seed. I realized later on that I did way too much, but I ain't no lawn man, so That's alright though. I'm now just spreading out some lawn fertilizer thing that I found, so hopefully that helps with the grass as well. Looking pretty cool doing it, I might add. I then sort of just grabbed the leveling rake and sort of lightly raked it all in a little bit to spread the grass seed out, as I put it on a bit too thick in some areas. And finally, I'm just going to water the grass in and pray that it grows. If you've enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and following along for the journey. I've got many more videos coming, so see you later.
Yeah, go bitch, you drive me crazy.